right, show me your coconut purse. Let me see. Oh. Show it to me. Oh, it's got a fish on it.
Coconut purse. All right, put it on.
Oh, that's so pretty, Haley.
You gotta watch that.
Show me.
What you think you can see her?
Very pretty. Put her up closer to the camera. Put her closer to the camera. That's really cute.
I can't. Here. Get up.
Woohoo! Look at that. Mommy and Daddy got you a coconut purse? What, baby?
I dropped my phone in my dog's water bowl, so it hardly works.
Uh-oh, that's not good.
Yeah, I gotta go buy me a new phone now. I need a new one. Hey, go get your little